To become a student at Virtual Job Fair, all you have to do is either click the register link at the bottom of the login page, click on I'm a student, and fill up the student register form. Once you submit the form, an email will be sent to your email to verify your information. Now, you can do that, or you can sign in with any of these 4 APIs, and it will create an account nonetheless. Now, as a student, you have many features. First and foremost, a most important feature is the ability to search for a job. In the advanced search, you can search by any word, an exact word, any of these words, or none of these words. And you can include jobs from outside sources. In this case, that would be Indeed API, Career Path, Monster, or Stack Overflow. As you can see, the student is also able to search by saved query. In this example, we have some previous queries that search jobs that have contained the skill Java. After running the query, we get a list of all the jobs that contain Java. However, we can run multiple queries at the same time, like jobs that contain Java but that don't contain programming. And after running these 2 queries, we will get a list of the jobs that meet the criteria. You can run queries, or you can run the queries and input in the form anything you want. For example, here we have Java minus programming at the top, but we also want to put here PHP. By doing this, we're going to get the jobs that meet all 3 criteria. Another feature for the student is the message feature. In here, the student is able to communicate with fellow students and employers using email through this website. There is also the SMS feature, which allows students to send text messages through this website to employers or other students. Last but not least is the profile page for the student. In here, the student is able to upload an image. He is also able to edit his basic information. He is able to add a new education or simply delete the old one that he had. He is able to add new experiences, and he is able to add new skills. For example, let's say the student just learned JavaScript. All he has to do is come here, add the skill, and save it. And the skill is now his. However, all of this can be achieved easily by signing in with LinkedIn. When you click the sign in by LinkedIn, it will take you to a page where you have to input the information for your LinkedIn account. Once that's done, all you have to do is allow the access. And if your account is not linked to any other, it will retrieve all the information and put it in that account. Another feature for the student in the profile page is that the student is able to upload a resume as a PDF format or a video resume as an MP4 or a movie format. And last but not least is the settings for the student. In here, the student is able to turn on and off email job notifications, or even if the student is just looking for a job or not. He's also able to select one query or many and select the number of days that he wants to be notified about this. For example, let's say I input every 5 days I want to be notified about jobs that contain Java. So all I have to do is put 5 and save it. And every 5 days I'll be getting an email about those jobs.